This is my 653 retro clone. See how it does. I've actually ended up, this is probably my third time I've taken it out. The first time I took it out, I had a function issue. I think it was with one of my old GI surplus mags. So I'm committing retro soon using P mags today. I also ended up changing out that buffer tube and putting a Bushmaster aluminum stock on it instead of that one I had on before. That I was having problems with it not locking back, and this one seems to be working good. I do got the little wussy pad on it, man, just to get the length to pull a little bit longer. Get one lot back on that magazine. If you got to get in a little closer, it's rad on that one. Yeah, my grouping's not near as tight because I'm just using the iron instead of the red dot. Most of that pull on the right is me. I wasn't really trying to take my time either.